Jeremiah Campbell, Brickworks Property Restoration. I want you to take a look at the house right over my shoulder. This is one of the coolest neighborhoods in Metro Detroit. Maybe one of the coolest neighborhoods in the entire country. It's called Woodbridge. The history in this neighborhood, the architecture in this neighborhood, what this neighborhood has gone through, and the revitalization of this neighborhood. I'm going to talk to you a little bit today about some of the things to look for. It's an all masonry home behind me. Some of the things that you want to look for in an older home like this. First thing, take a look at your chimney. Does the chimney look out of plumb? Does the chimney look like it's got cracks, gaps, holes? Is the foundation of the porch look like it's standing straight? Is there any kind of gaps and cracks? We're looking for any kind of gaps between the brick in the mortar, any cracked brick, any discolorization around the brick, or deteriorated mortar joints. These are all signs that there's a bigger issue. Whether it be a water issue, whether it be a foundation issue, or if it's just a cosmetic issue from salts and just wind and tear over the last 100 years. So when you have a home like this, or you want us to come out and give you a quote, give us a call at 586-868-3234 or click the link below.